All right, let's talk about Lydian dominant scale application. So probably in the previous videos, I have already touched on this, but let's be clear and precise and thorough about this. So for example, I would like you to check out a song called The Girl from Ipanema. If you check out the first section, A section, the chords go from F major 7 to G7. So on the chart, the sharp 11 is not shown, probably. You have to determine the nature of the chord first. So you have to determine whether the G7 chord here is actually resolving or non-resolving. So you look at the next chord. Seems that it doesn't resolve up a fourth or down a fifth. Okay, so it's non-resolving. So no. And for this chord, it is automatically a Lydian dominant chord, Lydian dominant 7. Lydian flat 7 scale is applicable here. So we will play G Lydian flat 7 scale or G Lydian dominant. Okay, cool. There's a upper structure method of playing over the G7 sharp 11 chord. So for example, if you encounter a G7 sharp 11 chord, again you go over the fifth, find the parent scale, which is D melodic minor. And you can focus on a few tones here. Focus on the one chord of the melodic minor. So that would be D, F, A, C. So that would be a D minor major 7 chord. These four notes. If you play this over a G7 sharp 11 or simply just over a G bass, let's check it out. D would be a fifth. F would be a flat 7, A would be a ninth, and C sharp would be a sharp 11. So basically you have these very characteristic chord tones of you have the flat 7, you have the sharp 11, so you have no third, so probably on your left hand or the bass player should be playing the at least the B note, depending on whether you want that sound in your chord. But anyway, you see you already have two out of these characteristic chord tones when you play this upper structure over G. So be sure to check out the section called upper structure if you haven't checked out that part yet. It is explained in depth there, but here hopefully I'm making some sense here as well. So this is one way to do it. So let's do a few more examples. For example, A7 sharp 11. You can actually play A B C D E. So E minor major. Sorry, major 7 chord arpeggio. It's too messy. I'll write it one more time. E minor major 7 over an A bass. All right, so that would be E, G, B, E minor, and then major 7, that's going to be a D sharp, okay, over A. And again, it should have the same interval relationship. So A to E, that's just a fifth. A to G, flat 7. B, ninth. D sharp, sharp 4. All right. So it simplifies the matter a little bit because the reason that we want to look at D minor major 7 arpeggio is because it's basically just a minor sound with some tweaks, right? We just add the major 7 to a minor arpeggio. So that's an easy thing to do, right? That would come in handy when you solo over the Lydian dominant chord, okay? So, all right, that's it.